Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Gwyneth, and today's video I'm going to be trying brow lamination at home. So I don't know if this is going to turn out good or bad. We'll see. So for those of you guys that don't know what brow lamination is, it's basically a semi-permanent perm to your eyebrow hairs. So they'll be brushed to the direction that you want them to go. It gives you more of a fluffy brow if you like your brows fluffy. And just a disclaimer, I'm not a licensed esthetician. I'm not licensed to do brows or any of that matter. I just want to try this and see if it works for myself because I've watched other YouTube videos and seen that it works for them, so I want to see if it works for me. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and to follow me on all of my social media, which will be in the description box down below. And let's get started. Alright guys, as you guys can see, my eyebrow hairs grow downwards, and with the brow lamination it'll help them appear lifted and be brushed upwards. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be using a lash lifting kit. This is the Silk Sense Lash Lift Eyelashing Perming Kit, and I actually got it from Amazon for about $20. And eyebrow lamination from a salon or done by a professional can average to about $50 to $60. And with this $20 lash lifting kit, you can probably use it more than once if it actually works, so we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna start off by cleaning my brows with micellar water, just so any extra dirt, oil, or makeup is wiped off. Then I'm gonna brush through my brows. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go step by step and read these directions. I'm gonna skip some since some of them are for your eyelashes, since this is a lash lifting kit. So first, we're going to apply the false lashes glue onto my eyebrows. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, man up. Okay, I'm gonna do the right one first. I'm gonna go by sections actually. And I'm gonna use this tool that it came with. I don't know if it actually works. Okay, it actually works, cool. I'm gonna be lifting it and brushing it up. So I'm gonna work by sections just so it doesn't dry so fast, you know? I'm gonna brush the front of my brows upwards. And then once I get to the middle, I'm going to brush them at like kind of like a 45-degree angle, but still up. This dries pretty fast. Looking crazy. Alright, so it says it takes a minute to set, and while this sets, I'm going to do my other eyebrow, and I'm going to work in sections, and because it dries pretty fast, so you have to do this pretty quickly. Alright, so I let these set for a minute like it says, and the next step says to apply the perm solution, which looks like this, and I'm going to be using like a lip gloss applicator to apply that. Oh my god, did this dry? I'm done. Did this dry? Bro! Did this like freeze? I'm so done. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, so for some reason I thought like this froze because the package was sitting outside in the cold. So I thought this froze and I was about to be so mad. But it's actually like a plastic film inside. So I just have to pop it. I'm an idiot. Okay, anyways. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's like not a plastic film, it's like a cap. Okay, anyways, moving on. Idiot, I'm an idiot. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this and make sure I cover all of it. So am I supposed to leave like a thick layer on? I'm gonna leave a thick layer on because I saw people leaving thick layers on when they do this. All right, so next I'm gonna be covering this up with plastic wrap. God, please. I don't want you to burn off, please. So it says to leave it on for about 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna do it for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. Oh my god, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. Alright, so it doesn't say to remove the priming solution. It says the next step is to apply the fixation solution. Should I remove it? No. It doesn't say to. Nah. This kind of smells like, I don't know if you guys ever tried like the wipe off shaving cream where you like apply it on your legs and wipe it off. This kind of smells like that. I hope it doesn't take off my eyebrows. Alright, so it says to do the same thing and cover it with plastic. And to leave it on for 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna do 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes again. I'm gonna take this off. Thank you, Jesus. Alright, so the next step says to apply the nutrition solution. And this is supposed to nourish the eyebrow hairs. Alright, so it doesn't say I should leave it on or wipe it off. The next step just says to use the cleaning solution to clean off the perm residue. So I'm gonna use a cotton pad as well. And I'm going to try to wipe this off a bit. Cool. So what I'm doing is kind of running this through the brows and pushing it, trying to take off any residue. And then I'm gonna wipe it away with a cotton pad. This is actually a reusable one, guys. Wow. Who am I? Alright, so I'm gonna kind of do this twice just so that all the residue from the solutions are gone. So next I'm gonna brush through them. Okay, that was it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is probably trim them and then also pluck around to get any unwanted hairs. So this is the difference with it cut. My eyebrows are kind of red right now. But okay, so I'm gonna trim and groom the other side now. Alright, and as you guys can see, you can like kind of maneuver and brush the brow still. Alright guys, so this is how they look now. As you can tell, they're very lifted. And I'm red right now, but it'll probably go away in a few hours. I actually like how they turned out. They probably look way better filled in. Usually when people get brow laminations, they also get a tint as well, and they also wax their eyebrows as well. And yeah, this is supposed to last 6 to 8 weeks, supposedly, or 5 to 8 weeks. So I will try to do a weekly update and put it down in the description box or as a comment. And I will also show you guys how they look filled in, but I can't touch them right now. I can't get them wet for probably about 48 hours. So I will definitely put a clip of them filled in as well. They probably look better that way. Alright guys, so it's been 48 hours and I haven't tried to apply any water to them. And this is what they look like filled in as well. The right one is filled in, the left one isn't. Alright guys, that was everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will be leaving any weekly updates down in the description box down below or in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!